Hi, I'm Will with Baird Foundation Repair. Today, we'll be talking about the unseasonable amount of rainfall and what that might mean for your home's concrete. San Antonio's 2023 rainfall has already surpassed the total rainfall for 2022. Both April and May saw above average precipitation. With all this rainfall, you might be feeling some changes in and around your home, including the concrete. Here at Baird Foundation Repair, we get a lot of questions from homeowners like, where does all the water go? The answer is quite simple. Some of it might impact the home's foundation, and some of it can find its way into any cracks along your driveway and sidewalks. When the excess water finds its way under the concrete slabs, it will eventually start to wash out the soil. The water will cause the soil to erode and wash away from underneath the concrete. This will create voids, which means with the soil no longer supporting the heavy weight of the slab, it will begin to crack and sink, creating an uneven surface. But not to worry. Baird Foundation Repair offers a warranted concrete protection system that consists of 3 products designed to work together to stabilize, seal, and protect your concrete from all of Texas's weather conditions. With our concrete solutions, you can rest better at night knowing your concrete is protected for years to come. If you're ready to extend the life of your home's concrete, give Baird Foundation Repair a call. We'll provide you with a free, no obligation inspection and discuss how we can fix it right the first time.